Hello, June Davis Pre-K. It's Miss Priestley. Our science lesson today is going to be an experiment. We're going to keep going with our transportation, and today we're going to talk about rowboat. First, we're going to start with the song, Row, Row, Row Your Boat. Sing along with me if you'd like. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Let's try that again. And we have a little boat to use. Yes, it's made out of Legos. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. All right. Okay, let's take our boat out. So today, we're going to do an experiment that has to do with how that boat can row, how it can move, what helps it move. Well, this is a rowboat. We just sung row, row, row your boat. This is a picture of a rowboat. In a rowboat, oars are used to help that boat move. So we're going to try to think of what makes those rowboats move with those oars so well. Look at your hands. If you have your hands like this, do you think you'll be able to move it through the water without in the best smooth way that you can with your hands like this? What do you think? Yes? No? Let's try. Well, when I went through the water, seems like I wasn't pushing so much water. I was just going through it. Okay? All right. Well, what if I close my fingers like this? Huh? Let's try that. Seems like I'm moving more water out of the way as I go. If you want to try it at home, have mom or dad help you. Get you a bucket full of water and try it. Seems like I'm moving more water if I use this closed hand versus this open hand. Okay? So that closed hand works best because those fingers are all working together. When they're open, they're all each trying to move the water by themselves, but they're closed together and that force is harder when it's trying to move that water out the way. Okay, let's have an example with some other things we can try. We're going to try to see which ones will work best. I have a straw. We're going to also see what happens if we use a piece of paper. I have a spatula. And that's it. Those are our 3 examples that we're going to try. So think about the choices I gave you. Straw, spatula, and the paper. Which one is going to move the smoothest and help us get through the water? Which one is going to work better and have it move with a better force? All right, let's try the paper. Okay, here's the paper. I'm going to try the paper in the water, see if the paper can move the water. Oh, you see that? The paper just bent. It went in there and it bent. You see how it's all bent up. So it's not really moving the water very well. All right. I wonder why. Why the paper bent? Maybe it's not strong enough. All right, let's try the straw. Use a straw. Let's see. Just kind of, the water's not really moving out the way. It's just kind of going with the straw. It's just the straw is just going through the water and there's no resistance. There's nothing pushing against the straw. It's just going through the water. All right, let's try the spatula. I'm going to see if the spatula can move the water out the way. Oh, look at that water. It's moving now. You see that? Yes, it's pushing the water back. Awesome. So, we found that the paper bends in water. The straw just flows through the water, and the spatula pushes that water back. And if you kind of look at these oars, the spatula kind of looks like, oh yeah, mine has love you more than cake on it because I use it to put the frosting on the cake. But today I'm using it to see if it works like an oar. And it does. It pushes the water back. So if you're in a boat, unless, well, our little boat right here has a little Lego motor on it. So that motor is going to move it back and forth. But if you're in a boat, you will need an oar that's going to push the water away from you so that you can move through the water. Okay? All right. Well, that's our science lesson for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember, if you want to do this at home, make sure you have your parents help you. Okay? Bye.